In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Squarespace discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Squarespace discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called TechRadar and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discount. So for example, if you want to get this 10% discount of all plans, all you need to do right here is select get code. And as you can see, this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code and you can use this one on your next purchase to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called websiteplanet.com, and we also have some deals and promo codes that we can use. So for example, if you want to get this 10% discount right here and pay only 90% on your first purchase, simply select reveal code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap right here to copy the promo code and use this one on your next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.